What's up guys? Welcome back to Yai's Garage, back again with another video. And in today's video we're doing another car mod. So today we're installing this carbon fiber rear diffuser. I've been waiting for this part for quite some time now, and it's finally in. The quality is really good on this carbon fiber rear diffuser. The carbon weave is the same as the side splitters that I just installed. It's pretty lightweight, and the back is nice quality. And just like last time, I went ahead and purchased several of these diffusers. So if you guys are interested in this product, please check out my link in the description below, and hit me up if you guys are interested. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so I mocked up the diffuser. It looks good. These two parts go behind the license plate. I tried taking the license plate out, but this bolt is really rusted. And the bracket behind the license plate is chipped anyway, so I don't want to break this one. I also don't want to cut this, so I'm gonna have to work around it. So I have to put this under it, but it shouldn't be too bad. And then what we're going to do is put 3M tape behind this front part, and then we are going to screw these self-tapping screws right under here. That way the sides don't come out like that. So let's go ahead and put the 3M tape on first, mock it up, and then start drilling in. Also just gonna wipe down the area with some isopropyl alcohol and just make sure that the area is all clean. All my GoPro batteries died, so I'm just gonna use my cell phone to record now. So I put the 3M tape here. It's on good. And now I did screw, sorry for the bad lighting, one right here. I might have screwed it a little too high, but I'm going to do another one right on the bottom. That way this sticks on tight. And then I will do the same thing on this side. Alright guys, so sorry for not recording screwing the screws in. I just did not have a head mount for my cell phone, but here, so I put one, screwed one right here, because for some reason this side wasn't on as tight as that I would like. While it does show, which looks pretty ugly, but it's not too bad. And then I also put one, hope you guys can see, one right here. There you go, so one right there. So let's push this in, and then we did one right here, which also put this in. So now it's on tight. It's pretty, the fitment is pretty good, and it looks pretty fire. Let me take the car out into some sunlight and show you guys what it looks like. So check it out. I really like the way it looks. It's pretty fire. As you can tell, this side, for some reason, it didn't come in flush exactly. I tried fitting it as best as possible, but you know, it doesn't bother me too much. So it looks pretty fire. It's really high quality. And then now it flows with the spoiler, with the side skirts. the diffuser really brought in the look. It looks pretty fire, guys. I hope you guys like that installation video. It's not very hard to install. You can do it very easily, and the quality is really high. So if you guys like the carbon fiber diffuser, please go check out my link in the description below and hit me up if you guys want to purchase one. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I look forward to more videos coming this year. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
I should go